Look down through there. That's like a 68 or 69 Charger sitting in front of an Apache, which is my favorite truck and my favorite Mopar. Don't mind us, we're just setting up for a little drag race here.
You are? Oh, yeah. Okay.
But it's either that, guys, or you get nothing. So I hope you're gonna hang with us this week while we just have a little bit of fun, trying out something new.
Ow! I braked and it braked.
All right, honest review at this point, Caitlin has damaged this thing to the degree that the throttle no longer goes all the way in and the brake on the left is not in the right position. This week on Crossthread Garage and Salvage, we're answering the question nobody's asking. What's better, an off-road electric scooter or a 35-year-old Facebook Marketplace find 90cc Yamaha Breeze? Truth of the matter is, one of these things produces basically plant food every time you turn it on, makes everything around it green.
What?
And the other one, we're told, is good for the environment. I mean, up until a few decades ago, CO2 was widely accepted as plant food. You don't get green leaves without CO2. Trees give us oxygen when we give them CO2, so actually we're helping ourselves breathe better when we run the internal combustion stuff. Plus, to get the lithium for this battery, you gotta run a whole lot of diesel. So, is it better for the environment? No. Is it more fun? Differently fun. Would I buy it for myself if it hadn't been given to me?
You don't have money to buy it for yourself.
Not for long, I make bad financial decisions.
Just for a quick point of comparison, here we got 3 centimeter by 25 centimeter wheels.
No. They're
Well,
10
I
by
don't even
3
know what
inch.
they are.
Off-road tires.
Then one.
Dual coilover shocks on the old AUSOM L2 Max.
We don't know if it's awesome yet, but that's just the name of it. Then we got 1 full tire and 3 not so full tires.
But how easy does this spider-infested factory spider webs? Check that out, guys. Still there. Looks like chickens have been roosting on it. Breeze, start.
Oh, it's in.
It's in gear. How about this one? Tap it with your key. Now we've got 26 miles that we've put on this bad boy. And
Still a full battery.
Well, we've charged it 3 times.
Oh, we have?
Yeah, we got this thing to do this little fun comparison video. And I know this isn't normal for Crossthread Garage and Salvage, but here's the deal, guys. The last couple of months, I have been busier than I think I've ever been. Literally, there's days I've woke up and I thought, did I find a rope or lose my horse? I have no idea what's going on. So it's either do this fun little dad and daughter adventure down in the woods with an off-road electric scooter and Gracie's little 90cc four-wheeler, or you get nothing this week. We've got a couple of other things going on in the garage, working on the 97 dump truck, working on Caitlin's 41 Ford, got a couple of things I need to do on my 47 Chevy. Caitlin's gonna get some air for these tires.
Where's the thing?
Well, I'm gonna guess you mean the thing to put air in the tires?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing?
Yeah.
The one that's right here? No.
Where?
No, too big.
It's not too big.
I'm too big to bend over.
Oh.
We're gonna head down to the woods and really see if this thing is off-road. Kayla's got her blinker on. So far, I've put it on some road miles. We've also done it, through the yard out here. So it's hotter than a rotten banana peel out here today, and Caitlin just said she was going on a scooter.
Hey, Dad!
There she is.
This must be what America feels like on the 4th of July. Do you know a hippo can swim faster than a man?
Yes.
And it can run faster?
Right.
So my only chance of beating one in a triathlon is on a bike.
Are your daughters like this?
Do you want to know something? The only tire that's holding air right now is the one I fixed.
What, this one?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Get the other one up so it matches the same height there. It has been beat and used hard, rode hard, put up wet. And we're gonna do the same thing to the AUSOM L2 Max. So full disclosure, they did send this to us to try out. So I said, well, you know what? Electric scooter actually would be pretty nice to have for some car shows later on. So yeah, send it to us and we'll put it through the paces and see what we like about it. And so far, it's been kind of fun. Whoa, it's okay. But we went ahead and unboxed it the other day.
I just got home from a week in Alaska and look what was waiting for us.
I don't know anything about electric scooters.
You really can't go, wow! Too fast with this thing.
Love the sound of styrofoam in the morning. What's in there?
Clue.
Must be made by IKEA. Comes with a set of Allen wrenches. Charger. That'll come in handy. All right,
And whatever these things are.
And truthfully, unboxing this thing, putting it together, super simple. You gotta take 4 bolts out to get the handlebars on, and you gotta hang the control module on between the handlebars. But it comes with the brakes and cabling.
What is going on? Of course, as soon as you walk over here.
So it comes with the brake cabling and wires and everything already connected. Literally all you have to do is stand the handlebar assembly up and run the wing nut in to tighten it down, and it's ready to go. So it's a dual motor setup. So it's got 2 motors, front and rear. It's got blinkers and a horn, and then 3 modes: the eco mode, the sport mode, and the race mode. And I'm just gonna tell you right now, guys, race mode, dual motor, what they say about electric motors is true. This thing will straight drive out from underneath you if you're not holding on. Whoa, mama! 42 mile an hour max speed on the road. I don't think it'll come close to doing that off-road because this is the thing about an off-road scooter. It is basically not the most functional thing in the world. You're probably gonna have to get all the kinks out of that before
Yeah, can you do that?
you get air flowing. Well, hey, spin it, keep going. There, one more. There
Does this
you
work
go.
with a hose?
Huh?
Does that work with a hose?
Yes.
Bro.
Learn something new every day. So to make this fair, I'm gonna have to do everything I do today with this 4-wheeler on 2 tires. Okay, maybe we'll do it on 4. Also, there are very little brakes on this, basically none, which is okay because the brakes on the scooter,
Holy cannoli, this thing's tall.
it is pretty tall. Is that front handlebar like adjustable up and down?
Yeah. But I think it's good where it's at.
I don't think it's adjustable. I think that's legitimately the height. Let's read the
Turn it on?
instructions. No.
Oh, why?
I don't know, you know, electronic stuff, maybe.
Can we take this off?
No, just wait.
I wonder if you can ride it like this.
Page 1, contents. Before you first ride, it's important that you know your new e-scooter well, so that you can get the best performance, comfort, enjoyment, and safety from it during your ride.
Right now we're doing about 12 to 14 miles an hour. We're at about 5,000 RPM. We're an eco dual motor. See, here's the big ravine here. I actually don't know how we're gonna make this up. Oh, my wrist.
Let's make sure this has gas. I know that has a charge. Let's make sure we have fuel for this one.
This is this. This is for air.
It's a vent. Oh yeah, we got fuel.
This is for siphoning gas when you're low.
What just happened?
I braked and it braked.
Did you grab the front brake?
I have no clue. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Sure I did.
You're losing. Dad.
It's not gonna go anywhere.
Ow.
Did you hurt yourself?
I mean, it slammed into my ribs.
You jammed up this brake, so it doesn't. You can't grab the front brakes.
I grabbed this one though, I think.
You definitely don't need to be in dual motor. You don't need to be in sport mode any longer. Let's go down. Oh, hey, you guys want to see something crazy from our neighbor here? Look down through there. That's like a 68 or 69 Charger sitting in front of an Apache, which is my favorite truck and my favorite Mopar. Just sitting there, rotting in the woods. All right, let's get back on the trail here. Okay, so on the four-wheeler, I can brake, sort of, coming down this hill. Yep, that's squeezed all the way tight. I'm still rolling. I got no brakes. Caitlin's just walking because, well...
On your left, because you got no rights. Oh, paw.
Hey, you missed it.
It was this one.
Oh boy. How'd that scooter do with the mud?
I almost face planted.
Caitlin's got her blinker on.
Did you see that deer back there? No. Okay, well this time I'm gonna go ahead and you stay back. And I'm gonna see if I can sneak up on a deer because this internal combustion thingy is a little loud. So, off we go. And we're off. Honest review right now, it's a little bumpy. You really can't go too fast with this thing because, oh, well here we are going fast. But you really can't go, wow, too fast with this thing because you'll do a flippy like I did up at the top there. This is really scary, actually. This is a little bumpy, scary, but it's okay. Not a whole lot of traction, but hey, that's all right. Oh, missed my turn. Actually, we can go here. Oh, let me put my blinker on. Psych, we don't use blinkers in the woods. Big log right here, we jump right over it. Just like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's all right. 20-foot weeds, we hurdle. We don't fly, we soar. Meow, meow, meow. You gotta be quiet though if I'm gonna find any deer. All right, coming up though, we got a big ravine. We're gonna do a wind up, a pitch, no strikes, and we're just gonna leap over it.
What?
See, here's the big ravine here. I actually don't know how we're gonna make this up. Meow! Oh, my wrist.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Did you fall?
Uh-uh.
You just jammed your wrist?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How was the ride?
It was good.
All right, honest review at this point. Caitlin has damaged this thing to the degree that the throttle no longer goes all the way in and the brake on the left is not in the right position. Let's see if I can get through here. Okay. Yeah. There it is. Well, I can hear Caitlin coming. Oh boy. Treat. This is our woods down here, guys. We've got about 5.5 acres. We like to play down here, but truthfully, there's a bunch of deadfall. They'll just be hung up everywhere, so it's kind of dangerous. There are times when it's dangerous back here, especially when the snow's on. Everything's heavy, so we don't spend a ton of time down here. I'd love to get some of this lighter stuff cleared up, but get an actual trail, because this thing does okay if you have a clear trail.
Yeah.
If you don't have a clear trail,
Did you go back by the waterfall down there?
it's pretty sketchy. Boy, if this camera angle is as rough and bouncy as my eyeballs right now, it's gonna be a lousy video. All right, we're gonna take this thing back up to the house, get these brakes and handlebars straightened out. I was thinking about taking the scooter down to our family's property down in West Virginia, back in the holler. I don't think it'd make it, to be honest with you. Oop, not gonna make it up the hill.
Don't stop!
All right, now we're about to see how this 2,000 watt, 48 amp hour battery, dual motor electric scooter performs against
90 cc's of raw Yamaha power. My tire's flat.
well, you gotta let a little air out of your tires for off-roading and for traction on the drag strip, so you're in good shape. Let's see, this thing says it has a 56-mile range. We have done 2.5 miles and we've lost 20% of battery. So multiply that times 5, that gives us about a 10-mile range at the current battery use, which is why with 28 miles on the machine, we've already had to charge it 3 times. I'm gonna say the calculations on range might be a little off. Somebody's coming down the road. You're gonna need to get off of the street there. Don't mind us, we're just setting up for a little drag race here.
You are? Oh, yeah, the camera. Okay. All right.
See you, Glenn. That's our neighbor. When he watches this, he's gonna see we were in his cornfield earlier. All right, line up here.
What are we doing?
We're gonna drag race down to the second telephone pole there. And I'm gonna set back because I have to push off in order to get started. Otherwise this doesn't go from 0. So,
Well, I have to I'm still not, there, now we fair.
so I'm gonna say go and we'll start at the same time.
Okay.
All right, ready? Go. Well, kiddo, what do you think?
I don't know. You had a faster start, but
I would say for the money, with what we just did, you could go either place with them.
yeah.
This one's a lot less comfortable. I don't like doing off-road stuff with electricity because you can't run an extension cord out there if the battery dies on you. You can always bring gas and fill that one back up. Would I buy it for myself if it hadn't been given to me?
You don't have money to buy it for yourself.
But if you'd like to,
I would for car shows.
if you'd like to, there's a discount code in the link below. You can buy it off Amazon, 6% off. So that's neat. If you're looking for an electric scooter, this one really is pretty awesome.